Do you want to add your organization on your LinkedIn profile? Guys, welcome back to True Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add that on your phone. So as you can see here, I'm on LinkedIn on my phone. This is my profile here that I'm currently using. And to do that, it's super easy. Simply click your profile on the upper left hand side. Then from here, click your name. It's going to take you right over to your profile. Now on this section here, just simply tap the add section button there, and you want to scroll down to where it says additional, and you want to expand that section here and scroll down, and you will find add organizations. Tap on that. You can fill in your organization name, so whatever that be. I'm going to type ABD here as an example. You can put some position here, so whatever it is that you want to write. And so you can basically select some associated with, if it is associated with anything. If not, just leave it as is, and then simple tap and save. And as you can see there, I saved it. If I go back to my profile here, let me do a quick refresh. If I scroll down, you will see that I have an organization section here, and that's it. And at any point in time you want to add or remove, you can simply tap the add button here, add new organization, start and end date, all of those good stuff there. And at any point in time you want to remove, simple edit that section by clicking the pencil icon. Click the pencil icon for that organization that you wish to, scroll down, hit the delete organization, and that's how you would basically delete it. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.